So you don't believe me, if you don't believe me, you can look it up. So why did they do that? It's because they wanted extra flight time. So instead of 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours, they're getting 14, 15 plus hours. Tippler flight hours. So, but yeah, coming back to the birds, that is the line. And then the grandmother is the daughter of this hen. You guessed it. She's pretty much a 12-year-old hen now. And the father is that bird, which is a Veso line. Then I paired him to half Tomish, half Veso line, which created me the saddles that I've got, the 2 saddles that are flying. So at the moment, I'm not creating anything just out of thin air. I'm making sure I know what I'm doing. And it seems to be working. Other years I haven't really cared. It's been more about just fly everything, don't give a crap. But as you've seen, the whole year I wasn't flying, just breeding and then using those birds as breeders. Specifically breeding off birds that I knew had flying ability. So finally we've got things working, and that was just 1 year. So imagine if I had done this 5 years previous, but and again, I was just flying, having fun. So yeah, that's just one line. Yeah, won't get into it too deep. That is what my birds are. So a big shout out to Veso, Tomish for their nice birds. And yeah, what is taking me 1 year, it's obviously taking me years to, because I was still breeding, but not just too focused into it. I'm still breeding a few, but it took me years to figure out which birds to put with what to fly better, this and that. It's not just a fluke. I'll tell you that, it's not a fluke. Yes, you can fluke it sometimes, but that black and that red are from the same line, very close. They could be cousins to the black saddle that I used to have. So lines are close. So this boy with the black saddle flyer made that red saddle, which his sister is a red hen, which I paired to the brother of that black saddle, the small black crazy flyer, which made me the one of the reds that's flying up there. That's flying now, a young red. So that's what it is. You got to know your birds. You got to know. It takes time. It takes years. Because no one's going to give you their best birds. No one. You just got to play around, get lucky, get some good birds. If someone gives you great birds, that's great. You're lucky. taking me quite a few years to get to. So finally those flies will slowly be good, fly good. But me, being me, I'll sit up like dots for a couple of hours and I want them to land because I don't want to lose them. Due to the conditions in Australia, hawks, more hawks. But this time I'm just going to let them fly. Eventually, once they reach 3 hours, 4 hours, I really want that hen to, at this point, you have a young one that just haven't been lucky this year.